In this update, about 3 weeks, 3 stems from Boutique Rose, the red rose. Cut where the nodes are at. We'll just simply let this continue to do its job. Not sure if any action or activity is going to be happening. We'll continue to update, give some more water. Rose. Lemongrass. Oh, it's difficult to grow. Really is for me. Keeping this bad boy alive. It's still damp. Still got a small piece. Never took off. I have here in the container, bring it to you, another orange. Simply going to leave it there. No cuts in the bottle. When it hits the top in the spring, we'll transplant it. So there you have my garden. I'll bring you one more. You can tell me what this one is. I got no clue of this plant origin. Gonna try to make sure it grows and see what it turns out to be. Hope you enjoyed my Plant November update. Let's not forget the onion in the distance right here. Onion up and down, it should grow some more. Hope you enjoy my plant update. Don't forget to rate, comment, and give some love to the plants. Have a great day, everybody.